If you're an entrepreneur in Kenya and largely Africa, you know that communication should be the center of everything within your organization. Every day you have to send emails, you need to make follow-ups, you need to come up with proposals, and you need to also work, your normal job, right? You need to do some specific. And these kind of things really tells you that you don't have enough time. ChatGPT or any other AI model that you use in your system is not there to do your work. It's actually there to speed up your work. It's there to help you speed up what you're doing. Like, how do you send those emails? How professional are you going to look when you send those emails? What proposals are you going to do? How do you actually make that proposal to sound like you've done complex researches? People are using these tools to make a lot of informative, deep research papers, and they are doing a lot of research information. You are able to learn different things every single day using this AI tool. So if you're running any business in Kenya, Africa, Nairobi, whichever place that you're running it from, you need to use AI tools within your business. If you're not using AI tools for automation, you're losing it out. Because most of the time that you're doing this manual task, AI tools could step in and make it faster for you. You're able to just come up with ideas, to think even more, because the time that you would have used to do this kind of things has already been spaced out by these particular AI tools. So AI is there to help you do automation. For example, people who are using CRM, you want to communicate to your clients, right? You need to use WhatsApp API tools. You don't need to use your normal, WhatsApp on your phones and you're sending to clients. Maybe you have 5,000 or 5,000 clients. Are you going to send 5,000 clients with your phone every, it's tiresome, right? You need a bot system that is a WhatsApp API agent that's going to be able to automate these templates. You're able to build them using Meta, Waba, whatever thing, and then it's able to send these particular clients timely. When a client inquires something to you, they are able to send a reply to them. And if they are going there to make a booking, then you can only step in, right? Without these other things, you're only stepping in when you're going to close the sale, actually. You're not going to be like doing anything. Maybe you've done some sales and then there is post-sale services. There is that support system that you need to give them. The AI tool in that WhatsApp API is able, and this is AI, all this is AI, They are geared with Meta and, it's there to help you. For example, you want to write proposals. I've been speaking about proposals over the past few days on this channel, and you have to just make it nice to look that professional, to look like you're very educated with whatever you're saying. You'll be able to write nice proposals, compose emails on them, make follow-ups on those proposals until they go through. You don't need to hire a consultant for this particular thing. You can do it right using free tools like ChatGPT, Cloud. There is that free tier or Perplexity for deep research. You need to also, maybe you are doing something called follow-up reminders. When you do your CRM system, ensure that there is that financial section that you are able to make follow-up reminders. You've sent an invoice for payment, automatically it sends a reminder to that client that this particular payment is pending. You need to settle it within this specific time. Without doing that, then you're going to lose in some money. So if you like this kind of content as an entrepreneur, remember to subscribe, follow for more AI tech related content for entrepreneurs in Africa.